Ladies and gentlemen, dear teachers of English, good morning. Yesterday, we saw the use of and. Today, we are going to see something else. Which one? We are going to discover it during the lesson. Now, suppose that someone is in the house and the door is locked. Someone else knocks at the door. What can the man who is in the house say? Surely is going to say, someone is outside, or who knocks at the door is going to come and open the door. Who knocks at the door? Today, we are going to stress on who. Who? Ask pupils to repeat individually, then orally. You make a sentence, a model sentence. Mary, who gave me money. Mary, who gave me money. They repeat individually and orally. Now you ask the question, who gave you money? Who gave you money? So the answer can be clear. Mary, who gave me money. As usual, you make model sentences with pupils, one after another. After that, you pass to transformational drills. After transformational drills with pupils, now you make the analysis. It means that you give some sentences on the blackboard. That's what we call syntheses. You analyze sentences together with pupils in the classroom. For example, on the chalkboard, we have got some sentences. You ask pupils, how many sentences do you see on the blackboard? They are going to tell you we have 3 sentences. Now you ask them to read one after another. The first pupil is going to say, to read, who teaches French? Who teaches French? The second pupil will read, is the girl who comes mad? Is the girl who comes mad? The third sentence, the house is made by who? The house is made by who? Now you ask them, among the 3 sentences, what is similar? What is the same? Clearly, they are going to say, first sentence, we have who. Second sentence, we have who. And third sentence, we have who. The use of who here is located differently. We have who at the beginning of the sentence. We have who in the middle of the second sentence. We have who at the end of the sentence. Now you are going to give them a precision that when we speak about who at the beginning, it means that the person who performs the action begins by who. It means that who teaches French. The use of who is going to be situated at the beginning. The second sentence, the use of who, now here we have in the middle, and the third at the end. Now, those are forms. Forms. How you can, or how can pupils use who? Now you ask them to observe forms. The first form, as I said, as I explained, who is at the beginning, plus verb minus to, plus complement, plus question mark. The second, we have verb minus to, plus subject, plus who, plus complement, plus question mark. And the last, subject plus verb minus to, plus verb minus to, plus who, plus question mark. Now, you ask them, what is the nature of who? Let them go on, saying whatever they can, but they can't know it. Why? Simply because they are learners. It's you, teacher, who is guiding them. You have to say, who is a pronoun? Who is a pronoun? Now, since we have got many pronouns, which kind of pronoun is who? Who is a relative pronoun? Now, you ask them to repeat. Relative pronoun. Individually, then plurally. After that, you write the title on the blackboard. Or, before writing, before jotting down the use of on, you ask, what is today's lesson? Or what is the title of today's lesson? They are going to say, today's lesson title is the use of who. And you take the piece of chalk and you jot it down on the blackboard the use of who. You ask pupils to take their exercise books and the pens, write what is on the blackboard. Look at the way you can develop the lesson with the English structure who, which is relative pronoun. Next time, we are going to see the second lesson, which second lesson of English for Africa. That's we are going to see, and we are going to start by vocabulary. After that, we will continue, with grammar. Thank you very much. We shall meet next time for the second lesson of English for Africa. Thank you.